How much is chef salary in Australia? In Australia, chef salaries vary based on experience and the type of establishment. Entry-level Commis chefs might earn around odd 50,000 to AUD 65,000 annually. As chefs progress, chef de parties could earn between odd 60,000 to odd 80,000. Senior roles like Sous Chefs may command salaries ranging from odd 70,000 to odd 90,000 or more. Executive chefs in top leadership positions might earn odd 90,000 to odd 120,000 or more. These figures are approximate and influenced by factors such as the restaurant's location, size, and overall reputation in Australia.